Hi everyone, welcome to another video. This is for Sri Lankan tuna fish curry. I'm going to make it without coconut milk. It's pretty easy. Let me show you how I do it. As always, when washing fresh fish, I squeezed a quarter piece of lime and half a teaspoon of turmeric. Then I mix it into the fish and immediately rinse the fish out in cold tap water. The lime removes that fish smell, and the turmeric is an antiseptic, so it kills or stops the growth of bacteria. These are my spices. The list is at the beginning of this video. And this is some canned tomato paste. If using fresh tomato, it's better to crush it or blend it. To make the gravy thick, have a rich color and taste better. I try to avoid adding oil into my curries, but this time I wanted a change, so I tempered the onions, garlic and green chilies in hot oil. I forgot that I had curry leaves, so I added it later when I remembered. I'm not frying these onions until they're brown. Instead, they're just going to be a little bit softened, and then I'm going to add the spices. These are some whole fennel seeds, and then add the rest of the spices. Since I have plenty of onion in the oil, the powdered spices will not burn too quickly. Otherwise, I wouldn't add the powdered spices directly into the hot oil. I'm going to reduce the heat and fry this for about 20 to 30 seconds at most. And then I will add the tomato paste. You can see the tomato paste is a little pasty, so it kind of takes a little effort to mix it in. But do the best you can and then add the fish. This is a lot of fish for this small pot, but thank goodness the fish shrinks, so it'll have space once we are done making it. It's not going to get squished up. I'm going to coat the fish with the oil and the spices and the onions like this. Just bring it from under and over. I haven't increased the heat yet, and I'm ready to add the water. Keep two things in mind when you're adding water: how much gravy you want in your curry and how much water you need to cook the fish. If you want a little less gravy, then add water up to the surface of the fish, and for more gravy, add a little more water. There will be water from the fish that will compensate for water that's lost during cooking as well, so it all balances out. This is when I remembered I had curry leaves, so I'm adding it now. I'm going to cover the pot and let this cook for about 10 or 15 minutes, or until the pieces of fish are all white all the way through, and then finish off with a little lime juice and we're done. So we can stir this now, let it settle for about 5 to 10 minutes before you serve it. Add salt at any time that you want. I'm going to be adding salt just before I serve and I'm ready to eat. If you want to add a little coconut milk, you can do that now and just let it heat through. Now I serve this with roast pan and pol sambal. So because the pol sambal is already made with coconut, I didn't want to add coconut milk into this. And if you want the roast pan or pol sambal recipes, they are uploaded on my channel. Go check them out and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any videos when I upload them. Thanks for watching, and thanks if you have already subscribed. It means a lot to me, and I will be back with another video soon. Bye for now.